This is Second Ezra chapter 15, verse 11. But I will bring them with a mighty hand and a stretched out arm, and smite Egypt with plagues as before, and I will destroy all the land thereof. I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahawah, Bahasham, Yahawashi, Bahasham, Harachakwadash. Double honors to our apostles at Great Millstone who will wedded to us this truth. Peace and love and blessed salutations to you, Akim. That's part of the Bahasham, the house of David. All right, basically through the spirit, I'm gonna also bring this out, but so lightning strike the capitals of the United States 2024, right when it was turning. Sure, it's 9. I'll show you the video. It's actually a couple. Let's see. Yeah. All right. So let me see if it'll go straight to it. Slovakia. Hey, you see, that's the capital. And that's what, and this is why I brought out Second Ezra's 15 and 11, because that's a obelisk, Egyptian, which America is what known as, you see, the scriptures, the virgin daughter of Babylon, and then also spiritually, we get it. This is Revelation chapter 11 verse 8. And their dead bodies shall lie in the street of the great city, which spiritually is called Sodom and Egypt, where also our Lord was crucified. So this place is spiritually called Egypt in Sodom. Okay, this is why. And as you see, the way this place is set up like ancient Egypt. It follows the customs, sarcophaguses, coffins, just a lot of things. Oh, and then also too, the spiritually Sodom, the LGBT Q community. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all this other one, because not only do they strike these, but it striked oh man, hold on. Here we go. It strike the One World Trade Center, which on the top of that One World Trade Center is what? They got the LGBTQ lights. So, hey,
as the clock struck midnight on New Year's Eve, a powerful storm swept through Washington, D.C., culminating in a striking moment when lightning hit the U.S. Capitol. This iconic building, a symbol of democracy, was illuminated by nature's fury, creating a stunning visual against the night sky. While celebrations filled the air, this unusual weather event sparked intrigue and conversation across social media. Was it merely a coincidence? Or did it carry a deeper significance as we welcomed a new year? Fortunately, no injuries or damage were reported. But the imagery of lightning striking such a historic landmark leaves us pondering the forces of nature and their impact on our lives.
And it ain't nature. It's Yahawah, Bahasham, Yahawashi. Okay? Signs. The end is manifest. Great signs and
All right, we'll
wonders.
wait till it turns back to the multicolor, because I think this is going to be one of the shots of the night. And this is framed perfectly. Wow. I think the lightning just struck the top of the Empire. See if anybody can rewind the stream in slow motion and get that.
Oh, and then
I'll have to remember to go back in the stream and look.
Year 2025, the hopeful year of our deliverance and destruction and judgment on Esau. So these plain signs, okay? The end is manifest. All right, hold on. All right. So 2 Esdras 9 and 4. Because it's really, in this chapter, it goes into the end being manifest, the Most High visiting the earth that he made. That's a part of it. Verse 4, it says, Then shalt thou well understand that the Most High spake of these things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning, because the Lord did what? He declared the end in the beginning. That's how you get prophecy, which prophecy means to say before. That's what the ancient prophets did. They said things through the spirit and power of Yahawah before they were going to happen, as far as future prophecy. For like as all that is made in the world hath a beginning and an end, and the end is manifest. And that's all we're seeing, is the end being manifested. Even so, the times also of the highest have plain beginnings, in wonder, in powerful works, in endings, in effects and signs. That's right. So this isn't, go back. If this isn't an ending and an effect or a sign, okay, which it is. U.S. Capitol building struck by lightning. Come on, you can't make this up. And you people don't see the signs. Y'all don't see that this place is going down. Okay? Look, and it says 3 years. It's happened before. This place is it's over. All right. But let me go back to 2 Esdras 15. I'll probably close it out with that. 2 Esdras 15. And let me see. Isn't it 11? Yeah. 15 and 11. But I will bring them with the mighty hand and a stretched out arm, and smite Egypt with plagues as before, and I will destroy all the land thereof. Egypt shall mourn, and the foundation of it shall be smitten with the plague and punishment that Yahawah shall bring upon it. So that's what's coming. All right, that's why these buildings or these landmarks have been marked. Okay? Especially on a so-called new year, because 2025 is going to be a hell of a year. I mean, we say that every year, but we're prisoners of hope. A lot of things are going to change up. A lot of things are going to happen. 365 days. All right. If you've been watching, all right, there's a lot of plagues going around and things of that nature. So no doubt, in my mind through the Spirit, that even with the Apostle Tahar naming this year what he's named it, all right, that things are gonna start popping off on a higher scale. But with that, I'm gonna say shalom.